Jim, we seem to be rallying today with no news, really no news. What's going on?
Well, I hate these kinds of rallies because what they are is that people want to cover their shorts ahead of Bernanke because for the same reason they covered their shorts ahead of Sarkozy and Merkel. These are bad markets and treacherous markets, and you have to use the strength to reposition, to get out of tech, which is all flying, to get out of some of the cyclicals, and to move into things with good dividends because you need to batten down the hatches. This is not a market for people who can let it ride. You have to let it ride with different stocks, not the same ones you came in with.
So then what are those key names that investors should really take this opportunity to lighten up if they haven't been able to do that already?
Well, I mean, the semiconductors have hit an extreme which says they should bounce. You can lighten up on those. Technology in general, you can lighten up. I mean, we like EMC and IBM as being inexpensive, and Apple for action alerts, but we've been trying very hard to, like Juniper, we have not really made a big stand on. One of the reasons why I don't like tech is because seasonally it's not any good till the third week of September. Things are exacerbated by how weak Germany and France are. So, I mean, I just think those are really bad. I think the banks are terrible because no one really is sure of their exposure. And I think the European banks are really dreadful. So, you're going to get spillover even if you shouldn't. And the industrials, the ones that don't yield, are still no good. And on strength, they got to go and or reposition, have fewer of them. And I do like oil. I like oil because I think that while Brent should come down, I do think Libya will come online faster. West Texas isn't coming down, and oil is still historically high and very lucrative, but the stocks have been killed. I mean, we've been buying some Schlumberger. It's just way too low.
And we'll get to more specific oil stocks in one of our next videos. But looking forward to the end of the week, Jackson Hole on Friday, is anything going to happen?
No, I don't think so. Now, look, we do tend to like it when you go in with nothing is going to happen, and then one of the rallies we've had during this vicious period is that nothing was supposed to happen when the Federal Reserve met, and yet the market had a big rally after when people realized he's going to keep interest rates low. I think that's played out. I think that one of the things that's really bothered people is historically I've always said, for instance, that there are, the bullets don't run out, not pushing on a string. But I've never seen it where rates have stayed so low and nothing's happened with the economy. It's very daunting. I know everyone's really bearish, but I do point out that the Dow's still in this battleground of 11,000. I have not, this weekend, very soul-searching. Do I come out and just say, listen, just get out? No, I won't do that because there's certain stocks worth getting out of. But in the end, I think things are better.
Right, and that's why you don't go into the 2008 playbook, right?
Well, I keep telling people they're going to, but I'm not.
Right.
And I look at the Proctors and the J&Js and I say, listen, I hope they come down. Look at McDonald's, it won't come down at all. The stocks that have good yield, between 3.5 to 4.5, that come down is where you should be. And the stocks that have very little yield is where you should go.
And really quick, in terms of a QE3, I haven't heard any chatter about that. And all of a sudden this morning, I hear lots of people saying, oh, we're up because of a possibility of QE3. Well, is that at all real?
Well, no, what we need is some sort of worldwide coordinated China, U.S., stabilize Europe with Merkel really coming around. And we're not getting that. We're just getting all these half measures. The underlying current of this whole market is that the euro is falling apart, and these countries have to be spun off, and you need to have Greece go the way Latin America did in Spain. And if the bears just have this incredible rigorous ammo, and I can't diffuse it. There is no diffusing of their European argument. There's just not.
All right, thanks, Jim. I appreciate that.